Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft Outlook add-ins for improved task organization, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is launched, look for the File tab in the top left corner. Click on the File tab to open the menu. In the menu, locate and select Options from the list. A new window titled Outlook Options will appear. In this window, find and click on Add-ins from the menu on the left. You will now see a list of active, inactive, and disabled add-ins. At the bottom of the window, there is a Manage drop-down menu. Choose Calm Add-ins from this drop-down menu. Then, click on the Go button next to it. A new window will pop up displaying available add-ins. Check the boxes next to the add-ins you wish to enable. Once you've selected the desired add-ins, click OK. The add-ins will now be activated in Microsoft Outlook. To verify, close and reopen Outlook. After reopening, check in the ribbon or relevant sections to ensure the add-ins are visible. You can now utilize these add-ins to enhance your task organization in Outlook. To customize settings, revisit the add-ins section under Outlook Options. Explore each add-in to find configuration options that suit your workflow. With these add-ins enabled, managing tasks will become more efficient and streamlined. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.